So first things first, family. I'll make some lobster pasta. You probably know already. But we just get lobster them. We don't do into them really. Well, I'll just show you how you do. So the first things first, you get lobster. Just wash them off, and them there. We'll have some water. Go boil, and then when the water finish, when it start bubble, then we're just going to put them in there. Put some salt in the water. We're going to just make it last maybe like about 15 minutes to 20 minutes, and then we'll take them out and then we'll show you everything after. Alright? But let's make this stay for like, you see them not even notice them start change color already. I will just make this stay for like about 20 minutes and then we'll check back on it. Alright, so the only thing we need right now is a little bit of thyme and a nice amount of garlic. I'm gonna put some more on it. Some scallion. You're gonna need 2 coconut milk. You can use milk or coconut milk. I prefer coconut milk by this brand. Support your company. And some pasta. Nothing special. And of course butter. So that's really it. These are looking relatively alright. Just I give like 10 more minutes. Alright, so the meal basically finished. So what we're gonna do is just drain it off. Make it go and cool for a little bit. Then here I'm gonna take off the lobster. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just slice the back after I finish and just take out the pooey part. So I'll create a demure with the, well, yeah, that's the process. So just like a show in everything. Make that milk. It's a coconut milk right now. So I'll just show the coconut milk tonight right now. We're gonna make that of that. I'll show some scallion night, my little garlic in it so you get more flavor. I one hand may use, so I have to make camera person there today. So I'm just throw some thyme in it and my grated garlic. I just make that go and bubble for maybe like about 5 minutes and then put in the pasta and then put in the lobster and then I'll show you the finished product.